to a new YouTube video. This is my second English spoken video. For the ones that don't know me, I'm Isabel, most known as Isa por ahí. I've been traveling for almost 1 year and a half. I started in Colombia as a backpacker. I traveled through Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia and Chile. And in Chile I bought this van that's now my home. So today's video is about Sarah's and Marcus van tour. They're our friends. We got stuck with them in El Calafate, Argentina during the whole pandemic. And now we've been traveling with them for almost 1 month. They are going to show us their home, their van tour, and at the end of this video I'll leave you my van tour. So as I always say, let's get started with this video.
Hi, hey guys, welcome to our van. I'm Sarah, I'm from the US, North Carolina, if you know where that is.
And I am her partner, Marcus, and I'm from Sweden. And we've been traveling with this one for over a year now.
Bought it for Christmas in 2019.
So wait, how did we met?
We met in Calafate during quarantine. We were all stuck in the same municipality camping, and we spent a beautiful 8 months there quarantining.
Yeah, I think, and in March it's going to be 1 year since we met. Yeah. So let's get started with their van tour. All yours, the camera.
Okay, so this is our stove. Goes out. It's got 2 burners, and it is connected to this gas down there. These are pots and pans. We have a box, mostly fresh vegetables in here, sometimes pasta and rice. And then we have silverware, plates. We have glass, wine glasses, at least for now.
They're still whole. And then we have this drawer, which is mostly spices and some fresh vegetables. That's what we try to keep there, and also always the eggs. And the best part of the kitchen, according to me, is the refrigerator.
This is the best part, van life. Sorry guys. Cold beer.
It always stays cold because it's powered by the sun and the alternator in front of the car. It's all connected, so we never go without power. So beautiful, and we just had this installed yesterday. We have a beautiful little night light which keeps it bright in the dark.
And sometimes at night we use these. They're powered by rechargeable batteries, and they're just like Christmas lights that run along the edges.
They're more cozy, more warm light. And also there's our water.
So here's the water. We usually use the hose because then it can reach to the stove.
And it's about 30 liters. And you also want to keep this in an angle, so we always keep it running even if you're tilted the wrong way when you park. It's very useful.
Up here is a gas can from Chile. This is Chile's gas. This is extra food storage, mostly dry things. This is our dog food for Oliver. This is extra gas. And this is extra water. All right, so welcome to our living room. This is the couch mode, so we'll show you the rest later. But this is a bench. It's really good. Lots of storage in there. We have storage down here mostly for books and things, sunscreens. We had a house plant, but we've tried really hard. And
So the ones that are thinking about van life and having a plant,
this is what happened.
this is what it happens.
Cactus.
Yeah.
And it was a cactus?
No.
Oh god, it was a
It's a good.
a cactus is a good idea, maybe.
Very hard to keep them.
Yeah.
And so then we have this, toiletries, and maybe some extra clothes storage.
And in the middle here, Sarah made a bag that we keep mostly dog stuff because we're traveling with a dog. Oliver!
Oliver. Oh, there's Oliver.
So it takes up some extra space. We have the food and the storage there. And there's my side of the cabinet too. Put things away. We have a little hanger for our hats there. And if you look down here, we have place for our shoes. So they stay where they need to be.
Then we have our separate boxes. So this is
Hi, Oliver. Sorry. Hi, Oliver. There he is. Okay.
that's our child.
Okay, let's continue.
So this is our main storage for clothing is in there. And then we have some side storage for our camping gear and things like that.
This is great. This is for like maintaining everything clean.
Yeah, keeping the floor clean.
And there's your clothes, Marcus.
Yes. Here,
Yes.
my clothes. Here slides
Wow.
out easy and
Who has more clothes? Marcus or Sarah?
I do.
Yeah?
But he is so organized.
Because Ricky has more clothes than me.
oh yeah.
Oh, you're so organized. God. Okay.
And we also made this recently. We built in USB charger here. So this is like our USB charging station. So we can charge our phones, and this is for the other lights. Those batteries are charging too, and some small items.
So, if you imagine that it's a rainy day and you don't want to be standing outside cooking, we made it so we could lift it up from the inside so we can get to all of our spices, and then we can also cook from the stove inside.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, it really helps us all the time.
And we also have a yeah, show that.
We have a TV. This is
Plasma TV, guys, sorry. Plasma TV.
our plasma TV when we're sleeping, and it's perfect. So now it's nighttime and we're gonna go to sleep.
Okay.
So Oliver gets his bed right here.
That's how you transform.
Amazing.
How big is the bed? Do you know?
2 meter long, 145 wide.
Huge, big for van life. Ricky and mine is 150 by 115 by 180. So it's huge bed.
It's very comfortable, but we always want bigger.
Yeah.
And so Oliver has his nice sleeping area down here, and he's there all night being quiet.
He loves this cozy spawn.
Yeah, it's very cozy.
Can you do it from the inside?
Yeah, but it's trickier.
No, it's the same for us.
Yeah, we do it on the inside, I think.
Where does Marcus put when you're doing it on the inside?
You have to leave this area alone, so you always have to take one at a time.
Yeah.
That, and then you have
And
to put
everything
this
is
one
here.
down. You have to
Okay.
with your knees. And then you do it here.
Okay, they can transform from the inside. That's great. So is it connected like on the
Yes.
front seat? Yes.
Sarah made a curtain here, but you can easily access the front seat.
Like you can jump there if something happens
If something
night.
happens, you can
Like
go there,
you can
but-
go there.
Yeah.
That's great.
But so far we haven't had to do that, so we're happy about that.
Oh, and what's
also-
here on the upper part?
Oh yeah, here is also storage. We put in some extra wood here, and this is for our deep storage. It's more like things we don't use so much.
Like everything you don't want to see
Yeah,
is there. Great.
exactly.
Something else do you want to show, Marcus?
That's a good question.
Oh, this is beautiful and you didn't show it. Like this
Oh,
thing
yeah,
you
this
did.
Holds the spatulas.
Yeah, you can go
We
over
also
there.
Show you one other storage too.
Okay.
This is where we keep our breakfast items. We always eat oatmeal with honey and coffee and some seeds, and also we have some soy protein. It's
Wow.
pretty big storage, but we can only access it from here.
Do you eat exactly the same breakfast all days?
Almost.
Yeah? That's practical. Ricky, we should do the same.
So this is the solar panel. It's 160 watts, and this is actually a portable oven.
Wow.
We can fold out, and we can make pizza, and Sarah likes to make scones.
Okay, and the little table.
Oh yeah, the table too. Which
That's
fits
great.
inside here when we have the living room.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so we can have.
So is it all, guys? That's all? Yeah?
That's all for today, I guess.
That's all?
Now we need to relax and have a cold one.
God. That's a luxury. Here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it's very
It
hot
is.
today too.
Okay, 2 more questions, guys. Three more questions. The first one. How do you go to the bathroom? Guys, where's the bathroom?
Well, behind the bush over there.
Oh, there's the bathroom. Over there. In the woods.
Yeah.
There's a few things we do. We try to dig it down because if you don't dig it down, the more places you go to and you see people that are leaving pollution, it's really not good. It's going to ruin the nice, beautiful places of
Okay.
Van Life.
Dig it.
We
dig it.
down.
Dig it down. You
You have to
Spread the
do
word.
it.
you have to dig it. Spread the word.
Important.
Very important. Great. And how do you shower? Yeah.
Also, we use baby wipes. We use them for everything. It saves our life.
It's great.
But we also always swim in the lake or the river.
Yeah. There you can have a good, great shower.
Yeah. And if it goes too long, we go into a camp spot where the hot shower is.
That's great. Second question. How is it like to travel with this little buddy over here? How is it like? Will you recommend people to travel with a dog?
100%.
Yeah.
I mean, it hasn't really affected our lives in a negative way. There's been maybe 3 times that we couldn't do something, and that was either a national park hike or a certain campsite where they say that you can't have dogs. So he hasn't kept us from doing things. We've met so many wonderful people through him.
And tell his story. What's Oliver's story?
We got him during the quarantine in Calafate. He was one of the rescue dogs they had there through an organization called Tama, and we picked him out of a litter of 3 puppies. And Marcus said, let's bring all the puppies home. So we ended up with 3 puppies in our Calafate apartment, and we picked him, and then our friends got one of them, and the other one was adopted to a nice home.
Oh, so nice. And the third question, guys. Are you happy traveling?
We are happy traveling.
You are? You are?
Yeah.
Cheers! So thank you for your van tour. And Sarah, I invite people to subscribe to my channel.
You should subscribe to the channel Isa Purahi.
Go.
Isa Purahi is the place to subscribe.
Great. Marcus, invite people to subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to her channel. Please.
Great. Okay, bye guys. Have a good afternoon.